Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Student of class 3B attentive, we are going to learn science unit 9, which is about simple machine. In this unit you will be learn about what is machine, what is work, about simple machine, about type of simple machine, and what is compound machine. You will learn all about these in this unit. First of all, what is machine? Machine is a tool which make our work easier. मशीन एक ऐसा आला है जो हमारे काम को आसान कर देता है. And what is work? Work means using force to move an object by pushing or pulling. Work means using force by pushing or pulling something. Simple machines are used for moving objects by lifting, pulling, pushing or rolling them. Machine make our work very easier and very faster. We can do our very heavy work by using machine and by applying very less force. So machine is a tool that make our work very easier and very simpler. There are a number of simple machine which we use in our daily life, which are wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, pulley, lever and wedge. These six machines are simple machine. First one is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle machine is used to move things around easily, just like these. These are the example of wheel and axle. Or number 2, inclined plane. Inclined plane is also a type of simple machine which is used to move things upward or downward very easily. So any type of ramp or slope that make it easier to lift something is called as inclined plane. Number 2 is screw. An inclined plane is a spiral form used to raise, lower, fasten thing, just like these. These are simple machine example of screw which is used to raise, lower or fasten things. On number 4, pulley. Wheel and rope used to raise, lower or move a load is called as pulley, just like this one and this one. These are the type of pulley which use a wheel in it and a rope to lift something upward. Number 5 is lever. A rod balanced on a fixed point can help lift, move a heavy weight with less effort. This one and these are all the example of lever, in which they have one fixed point around which its parts move, and it is used to lift heavy weight with less effort. And last one is wedge. Wedge is made up of two inclined planes used to push object apart. A machine which is used to push or put something apart is called as wedge, just like these. These are the type of wedge. Next we are going to learn about complex machine, which are also called as compound machine. The machine which are made up of two or more simple machine are called as compound machine. A machine which is made up when some simple machine combined together are called as compound machine, just like all these. These are all the type of complex or compound machine which are made up of by combining more than one simple machine. This is your unit number 9. Open your book, learn this unit keenly. Test will be taken from you, inshallah.